Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure prerequisites are met. Know your device model and OS version, and have the screen unlocked. Now open the Settings app and use the search bar to jump to display or rotation controls. Once found, locate Auto Rotate, Orientation Lock, or similar toggles. These are the controls you will change. Make sure to keep the device held upright while you navigate so the sensor reads correctly, and proceed to the toggle step to change behavior immediately. You now make the specific changes. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Auto Rotate to disable. On iOS, open Control Center and enable Portrait Orientation Lock. For laptops or tablets, go to Display Settings and set orientation to Portrait or Landscape, or toggle Rotation Lock in the system tray. Once done, test by turning the device slowly to verify the screen stays fixed. If an app forces rotation, check its internal settings and disable in-app rotation options as well. You complete the process by confirming the lock persists across apps and after sleep. Restart the device if the orientation reverts, and make sure any third-party launcher or app isn't overriding system settings. If rotation still misbehaves, calibrate the gyroscope or accelerometer via settings or a diagnostic mode, and then update the OS or display drivers. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing fixes it, reset display settings or perform a factory reset only after backing up, because sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.